Hey guys, it's TekGeekHD here again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak your Apple iDevice, such as your iPod Touch, 3rd, 4th, and 5th generation, or iPhone 3GS, 4, or iPad 1st generation on iOS 5.0.1 Untethered. Now, if you guys are already on a tethered jailbreak, there's no need to do this process, and you guys can follow this annotation here to another video showing you guys how to untether your already tethered jailbreak. It's very easy and it doesn't involve doing any of this. Now, if you guys are not jailbroken at all and this is your first jailbreak, or now you're going to be jailbreaking on iOS 5.0.1 because you just updated or something like that, this is how to do it. Now, first off, I'm going to be showing you guys that I am on iOS 5.0.1 by going into Settings, General, About, and as you guys can see right there, iOS 5.0.1. Now I am not jailbroken, I don't have any tweaks or anything installed, so you know, you guys can see that everything is clear. Now anyway, you guys will be able to do this on a Windows or Mac computer. It doesn't really matter, but the process is fairly similar in each computer, though there is just one difference on a Windows computer, and I will show you guys that. Now you guys are going to need two files on your computer. One is your iOS 5.0.1 IPSW file, as well as the latest version of Redstone, which at the time is 0.9.10 beta 1. Now the links to download both of these will be in the description below, so you guys can find that there. So first off, you're going to open up Redstone, and again, if you guys are on a Windows computer, you guys are going to have to do these steps. You're going to come over to the Redstone executable file, right click on it and hit properties, which is the last option in this drop down bar. Now here you guys are gonna find you're gonna come to this box and you're gonna hit the second tab, which has compatibility, and check this little box that says run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you know, you're gonna after selecting that, you're gonna select Windows XP Service Pack. You're going to select any of the Windows XP Service Packs. By default, it does select Service Pack 3. And just to be safe, you guys are also going to select Run this program as an administrator. Then all you guys have to do is hit Apply and hit OK. Now this is where it continues for both either Mac or PC. The process is this exact same from here. You guys are going to open up Redstone, and I'm just gonna hit yes because I'm on Windows. On Mac you don't really get that. Now you're gonna I'm just gonna allow access because I do completely trust Redstone. It is a fully trusted file by me. You're gonna hit extras, select IPSW, and you guys are gonna find your IPSW file, which for me is on the desktop, and hit open. Now you're going to get this little box here that says the following build was identified, the build for your device, along with it's also going to say it will be used for the rest of this Redstone session. Hit OK, come back and hit jailbreak. Now you guys will see that it's going to prepare your jailbreak data, it's going to patch the kernel, and do a few things here and there. So now it's preparing the RAM disk and it's done. Now depending on what device you guys have, you may see a few different options, but here for me, because I am on an iPod Touch, it does say install Cydia, install custom bundle, enable battery percentage, or enable multitask gestures. Now I don't really want any of these besides for really enable battery percentage, but you guys are always gonna have install Cydia selected. So after you selected what you want and make sure that install Cydia is selected, hit next. Now this is the fairly tricky part for people who are first timers, but most people already know how to do this. This is called DFU mode. Now DFU mode basically is device firmware update mode, and it requires you guys to hold down your power button, your home button, and stuff for different periods of time in different orders. Sorry about that, guys. And it's actually quite easy, and Redstone is a very user-friendly software, so actually from this point, if you guys hit next, you guys will actually notice that it gives you these instructions for DFU mode. But I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna show you guys my way of doing it without having to turn off your device. Now you guys can either do it with me or follow along, or you know, wait for me to do it first and then do it yourself, like rewatch the video or something. But whoa, sorry about that, guys. My camera's actually plugged into power, and because the battery was low, but I thought I'd make this video for you guys, so it kind of keeps tripping the tripod off balance. Really sorry about that, guys. But anyway, now to do this, you're gonna hold down your home and power button together for 10 seconds, which is the button at the top and the button here at the bottom. Then you're gonna let go of the power button and continue hold on to the home button for about 9 to 10 seconds until Red Snow recognizes your device. So let's begin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to release the power button, continue to hold the home button until you hear a sound on your computer stating that a device has been plugged in or something like that. Once you hear that sound, Red Snow is going to start processing some stuff, and keep holding on to the home button until you see your screen light up. Okay, so once you see the light come on, you can let go of your home button, and really the process just continues by itself. From here it shouldn't take too long. As you guys can see here, it says downloading jailbreak data, so that does mean everything is working fine. Now in a few seconds you guys are going to see what I like to call matrix mode, because it's a bunch of text scrolling over your device. It looks like a lot of complicated code, which it is, but basically there's nothing to be scared of, because really it is just the jailbreak data being transferred and patched onto your device. As you guys can see here, this is what I'm talking about. So there's nothing to be worried about, and really this process just goes on, and you guys may see a picture of a pineapple in a few seconds. But what I'm going to do now is, because it is a fairly long process, I'm going to cut the video here and be back in just a few seconds to show you guys what the outcome is. Okay guys, so that process completed a few seconds ago, and my device actually just booted up. So here we go, it's on the lock screen. So after that's done, it will probably, it's still going to be connected. So what you guys can do is slide to unlock, and if you scroll over to your second page, you guys are going to see Cydia right there, which is very cool. And just to prove to you it's untethered, you guys can open up Cydia, and you guys will see it loads up fine. You can select whatever you want. I usually do recommend selecting developer, because if you guys are looking for some packages in Cydia, every package is going to be available to the developer option. But if you guys are just like a regular user, want to install some themes or something, user is just fine. So hit done, load up, and here you guys will see that Cydia is fully loaded on my device, and my device actually just connected to iTunes. So I'm going to close out, and at this point you guys can also exit out of Red Snow, and I recommend keeping the Red Snow file on your computer for future use or anything. I'm just going to open up my iOS folder and put back my IPSW file in my IPSW's folder. So that really is just about it for this video, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Now what you guys can do is probably head over to my channel and look over for some cool tweaks and stuff that you guys can begin installing on your device. Now if at the time I don't have too many videos on my channel, do remember to head over to my main channel, iTouchTech, the link to which is again in the description below, and there may be an annotation somewhere on screen to head over to my channel. Again guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do remember to like and comment, and do consider subscribing for more videos like these, tips and tricks, other technology related videos, and a lot more cool content on my actual YouTube channel. Again guys, this is TekGeekHD. Thank you very much for watching this video. Peace.